To automate Authorize Net webhooks, you need to understand what webhooks are and how they work. Webhooks are essentially callbacks that are triggered by specific events, such as successful payments or failed transactions. Authorize Net provides webhooks to notify merchants of these events in real time, allowing them to automate various business processes. The first step in automating Authorize Net webhooks is to set up a webhook endpoint on your server. This endpoint will receive the webhook notifications from Authorize Net. You need to ensure that your endpoint is secure, using HTTPS, and can handle POST requests. Next, you need to configure your Authorize Net account to send webhooks to your endpoint. You can do this in the Authorize Net merchant interface, under the Webhooks section. Here, you can specify the URL of your endpoint and the types of events you want to receive webhooks for. Once you have set up your endpoint and configured your Authorize Net account, you can start receiving webhooks. When a webhook is triggered, Authorize Net will send a POST request to your endpoint with the event data in the request body. Your endpoint needs to be able to parse this data and take the necessary actions. To parse the webhook data, you can use the Authorize Net Webhook SDK, which provides a set of libraries and tools to help you handle webhooks. The SDK allows you to verify the authenticity of the webhook and extract the event data. After parsing the webhook data, you can automate various business processes, such as updating order status, sending notifications, or triggering additional workflows. You can use a programming language like Python or Java to write scripts that handle these processes. Best practices for automating Authorize Net webhooks include ensuring that your endpoint is secure and reliable, handling errors and exceptions properly, and testing your webhook setup thoroughly. You should also monitor your webhooks for any issues or discrepancies and update your endpoint as needed to handle changes in the Authorize Net API. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively automate Authorize Net webhooks and streamline your business processes. This will help you to improve the efficiency and accuracy of your operations and provide a better experience for your customers.